Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a charger with AT&T connectivity for field reliability. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary tools and materials for the installation. Ensure you have the charger, AT&T connectivity kit, and any required mounting hardware. Select an appropriate location for the charger, preferably near a power source. Use a stud finder to locate any studs or conduits behind the wall. Mark the chosen location carefully to ensure proper alignment. Drill holes for mounting, ensuring you follow safety guidelines. Secure the charger mounting bracket to the wall using screws and anchors as needed. Connect the power supply to the charger, following the manufacturer's instructions. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection available in your installation area. Unbox the AT&T connectivity kit and check for all included components. Position the connectivity device near the charger, ensuring a strong signal. Connect the AT&T device to the charger using the provided cables. Double-check all connections for smoothness and security. Once connected, plug the charger into the power outlet. Power on the charger and the AT&T device, watching for indicators of successful operation. Test the charger by connecting a device to it. Monitor the connectivity and charging performance for a few minutes. Adjust the location if necessary to optimize signal strength and charging efficiency. Complete any wall finishing as needed to maintain a clean appearance. Review all connections and functionality before concluding the installation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.